Think your leftover milk batter is still safe to use? The real answer could protect your family's health and prevent food poisoning. Milk batter contains dairy and often eggs, making it far more perishable than dry baking ingredients stored separately. Improper storage allows harmful bacteria to multiply, even when the batter still looks and smells perfectly normal. For best food safety, homemade milk batter should be refrigerated immediately and used within 1 to 2 days. Refrigeration slows bacterial growth, but it cannot completely stop microorganisms from multiplying inside dairy-based mixtures over time. Throw the batter away immediately if you notice sour odors, mold, discoloration, or unexpected bubbles before cooking. Store batter in an airtight container, refrigerate below 40 degrees Fahrenheit, and always use clean utensils when serving. Fresh batter usually produces lighter, fluffier pancakes because leavening agents gradually lose their effectiveness during refrigerated storage. Remember this simple rule: refrigerate quickly, use within 2 days, and never take chances with questionable batter. Follow for more trusted kitchen tips, like this video, share it with friends, and comment your favorite breakfast recipe.